Alright, rock and roll, man. Day Trader Rockstar is here for you tonight for another watch list for Thursday morning. We had a great day this Wednesday. Market was pulling back nice and hard. We were in some really nice ones, BHI, Baker Hughes, VMware, VMW, AKM in the morning. All these good stocks, you know, where the market was going down, we're in the ones going up. So actually worked out really nice. I hope to bring you some good ones for tomorrow. I will get started tonight. This might be a 2-video watch list because I am psyched. I am feeling much better. I dedicate this watch list to Johnny Wang out there in China, who gives me a lot of feedback, and I appreciate that. But I appreciate all the other feedback from all the other people. Joe, AK Films. I think that's it. AK Films. There's so many out there. I just, wish I could give you all of everyone's name, but I appreciate the support and listenership. Remember, it's best to listen on the radio, on the internet at www.DayTraderRadio.com. That way you could hear the picks during the day, live trading all day, and hopefully we all make money together. It's a free service. It's just all about trading, day trading, how to be a day trader, how to get that discipline, especially how to do that discipline, how to take profits, how to find the trades, and how to just execute properly. So we'll get on to the watch list now. I don't have, remember, 10 minutes a video. Maybe I'll make this 2 videos, and hopefully you guys enjoy it and make some money from it. All right. First one, a couple momentum plays I took. I tried to get the momentum video out today, but I know the ones listening on the radio heard the momentum plays. I got into Win. WYNN as a momentum play only, hopefully for a gap up tomorrow. And I see we had a nice nice volume here as we are bouncing off this pullback, and we closed pretty strongly. Pulled it back a little. I didn't have many shares of this. I think I only took 50 shares, maybe 100 shares. I have to look at it, but just want to see it. But big momentum play was the VMware. VMW, and I'm looking for a pop in that tomorrow. Now this stock, remember, this was an IPO, so this one's going straight up, and we don't know where the top is here. This could be a Google in the making. We just don't know. So where do you take profits? I'll probably end up taking profits on any type of gap up tomorrow. Take profits on the gap up, and then I'll reevaluate during the day and get back in if I see some strength or I feel like the market's going to hold this one up. But right now we're really pulling away from this trend line, pulling away from this moving average. It's just basically started right here. So we have some pullback to do. We might pull back right back to the $100 mark here after tomorrow or during tomorrow. So I'll be getting out of this one in the morning too, just to let you know. Some new ones on the watch list. What is this? Is this ALU? I don't know if I wrote this one down, ALU, if this is a right stock or I don't know. I don't know why I would write this one down. Oh yeah, it looks like a ALU. Looks like an interesting pullback here. That's the reason I like it. Looks like we have a nice downward trend line. We have, what is this one then? ALU. I don't know why I have it up here, but I like it anyway. Oh, because of the call volumes. There was a lot of call volumes in this one today. I was looking at my calls, and there was tremendous call volumes on this one. So, pullback. We have a gap up here at 13 and 12. We have a nice pullback. Then we have a gap up and a little pullback. So, it looks like this one might have to see some action. I would consider watching this one very closely for a pop above this $10. Around this trend line here. If we get a pop above that, I would continue to buy into that, and I figure we might have a nice move ahead. So put this one on your watch, one ALU. I'm not even sure the name of it. Look it up when you have a chance. Fly me to the moon. Let me wake up with the stars. AMGN. Nice inverted head and shoulders here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Neckline right here. Anything above, what is that there? 58 looks like. It looks like 58 could be a nice rocket to 60. Just 60 is the whole number there. So I have this one on my watch list. Again, this one could be a mover. It really depends. I like to see some news come into this one and give me a nice up day, momentum on this one. I'm not in it yet, but definitely I like the charts here. I like all this stuff, and I hope you like it too. Just something to keep. Maybe it brings you some happiness along the way. USU, I got in it today. I know I'm searching for a bottom here and a falling knife maybe, but we had some volume, very little. We had some green volume. We had an update today, so I was seeing something. And it's a uranium play, a nuclear play, and I'm taking a shot here. I started accumulating some shares. I have 200 shares, not a lot of shares, but I'm just testing the waters. I like to see some volume. I like to see this one starting to run up again. All right, they could come out with some news, and this thing could pop real fast. So keep that one on your list. Another one I like a lot is Hot Topic. Remember, the retail sector is looking very weak. That means that it's probably about to go up because we got an inverted head and shoulders here. We kind of have a kind of a retarded trend line here. I don't know. We definitely have a trend line right here. A small little flag, you know, making this little flag here at 850. So this is looking really good on the 1 month chart. Look at this, right at the 50 period moving average, and anything over this high right here, which is probably about 860. I have to look at it closer. Anything over that high we're gonna pop. So I like this one a lot. I like it because it's a retail play, and I think retail is going to be in favor this Christmas, where everyone's saying retail is not going to be in favor. I can't believe that because I will be buying retail too. Another retail stock you might want to watch is Bebe. Another one, just a nice pullback off a run. We came back, we closed this gap right here, and I'm not in it, but you might want to watch it and keep it on your watch list. All right. We got a few more stocks here, so I'm gonna have to stop this one and move to the next one. AKAM. Of course, we picked this one right up at the bottom here. Made a nice run. I've got out of it today. I figured we're gonna first target's gonna be $40, but I would love to see this pull back a little. I think we even have a little gap here we could actually pull back to. I'm not even sure, but I would love to see this pull back, and I would get into it because eventually we are going right here. There was actually analyst came out and set a price target of $50, and I knew that was going to happen very soon as this thing was running. And the volume's just picking up on it. So it probably will continue tomorrow, but I'm not in it right now. But if you guys are in it, just remember to always take your profits. All right? We got about 5 more stocks. I want to pick that up on the next video. I am really psyched for trading tomorrow. We're doing really good. I just appreciate all the feedback that I'm getting. Any feedback that I get is much appreciated. And I hope to get my website up, DayTrader Radio, up and running full blast. If anybody out there does websites and wants some business, definitely let me know. All right, I will definitely consider giving you some business. All right, and if I've helped you in any way, that's all I need is just a comment or two saying I helped you. That's all I need. I'm not charging anything for this. This is karma, man. You know. What goes around comes around. I'll be right back with a second video, and I hope you enjoy it.